Pol Espargaro lamented his fate at being suddenly kicked out by GasGas Tech3, resulting in him losing his regular seat for MotoGP 2024 and being replaced by Pedro Acosta. Pol Espargaro will not appear regularly in MotoGP 2024. The rider from Spain was asked to leave by GasGas Tech3 in order to bring in Pedro Acosta. However, KTM gave him a new task as a test rider and wildcard. However, despite Espargaro's new role, the 2023 Valencia MotoGP marks the end of his Grand Prix career, which began in the 125cc class in 2006. It was quite emotional and difficult to control, especially on the grid, he said, as reported by Crash. Every time I looked up and saw all the people and riders surrounding me and felt all that nervous, tense energy that you sometimes hate but really miss when you're away for a long time, explains Polyccio. Pol Espargaro is known to be absent for a long time in the first half of MotoGP 2023 due to a serious injury at Portimao. Even though he will continue to appear in the 2024 season under different circumstances, the final race in Valencia is a crucial moment. This is the beginning of the end. This is the beginning of the end. I feel like a chapter in my life is over and it's okay that I will race next year, but it will be something very different, said Espargaro. For sure, I will try to be competitive. I will try to recover from the accident because I am still weak. But hopefully, in the future I can do some good races like Dani Pedrosa did, by preparing well and being competitive, he concluded.